So hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to embed Excel into your Wix website. So first here you need to go to your Excel file which is online because you can only embed one if you're in your online Excel. So in here I am in my Microsoft 365 Excel. So what you need to do is click on this file on the top left, then click on share. Now from the menu, choose on Embed this workbook. Here you can change the appearance and also the dimensions or the size of your embed. You can also add an interaction like let people sort and filter or type into cells. Now after that, you just need to copy this embed code. So go ahead and copy it. After that, go to your website. Once inside the website editor, on the left panel, click on Add Elements. Now from here, choose on Embed Code and then add in Embed HTML to the section. Now, you just need to paste in the code you copied in here and then click on the Update button. So just wait for it to load. Now that it is appearing, you can just go ahead and resize it. But the actual resizing of it, you can do that in your Excel file. Now in here, you can see that your sheet is visible to your website. And that's just basically it. That's how you embed Excel into your Wix website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.